All right, so I carried on the calculation for the second force, and it came exactly how we predicted, a 6 times smaller than the initial force because it's 6 times longer time. So it's about 167 kilograms times meter per second square. Um, for the last question here with the baseball and the bat, it's very, very similar, and we can start to set this up. Let me see, maybe I have some room on the bottom, change the color. In this case scenario, we start off with an initial mass of 0.145, and we have an initial velocity of 50. The impact yields to a final velocity of 0, and the impact lasts for 0.03 seconds, so that would be the time. So when we set up the formula, would be the force of the bat times the time, which in my case can be 0.003, is equal to the mass of the baseball times the difference in the velocity. So what that means, the force times 0.003 seconds. The mass is 0.145 kilograms times, again, the difference in velocity. You go from 50 to 0, so it's 50 meter per second. And of course, you apply the same rule. You're going to divide each side by the time. That's seconds. And I'm gonna let you carry on the rest and find out what would be the final force that applies to the bat. No, the final force of the bat that applies to the ball. There you go.